Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great. Today I will be showing you how to make spicy fried chicken. Let's get started. The ingredients are 3 cups flour, 3 tablespoons water, 3 eggs, chicken, 1 tablespoon paprika, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon chicken seasoning, ½ teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, ½ teaspoon total seasoning, 3 tablespoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon coarse salt, and vegetable oil. Add to a bowl flour, 3 cups, and the baking powder and seasonings will be added later. I will now add all my seasonings to a bowl. Add to the chicken a 1/4 teaspoon. Add to the chicken a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, mix the remaining of the seasonings and add 2 teaspoons. This portion will be added to the flour later. Now I will rub and get the seasonings into the chicken. Cover and marinate for 4 hours or overnight. Hi guys, now that the chicken is marinated, I will add to the flour 3 tablespoons baking powder, and the rest of the seasonings. Mix. Mix well. Now I will break the eggs in a different bowl. Add the 3 tablespoons of water. Red pepper. Shake well. This 1, 2, 3 tablespoons. Then whisk. Now add pieces of chicken to the egg. Drain and then add to the flour. Shake away loose flour, then fry in hot oil. Now I will pour the vegetable oil in the pan and deep fry. Now that the oil is hot enough, the chicken is finished frying, guys. I will be right back.